Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about inertia. So now I will show you how to answer. What is the second movement of area with respect to the y-axis for the area limited by the x-axis and the curve y equal to x squared minus 4. So we need to wrap about this one in here. So x squared minus 4 should be like this. So limited by x-axis. So here is about the x-axis in here. Here is about the curve. So the area we need to concentrate, that's about this one. So about the second movement of area with respect to y-axis. So we will have about capital I y equals to double integrals x squared dA. Now we can put the value in here. First we need to find the intersection in here and here. So we have x squared minus 4 equals to number 0 because this one that's about y equal to number 0. So that's why we put number 0 on here to find the intersection. We put negative number 4 go to the right. And then we put the square root for the both sides. And we have s equals to number 2 and s equal to negative number 2. So this is about number 2 and negative number 2. And now we put into this one. About dy, we see that this is about lower. And this one is about upper. So the lower, this is about the curve in here. So I will use about x squared minus 4 in here. This one is about upper, so we have y equal to number 0. So I will put in here. Now we have the s. The s that is between negative number 2 and positive number 2. Now the integration of dy, we don't have y in here. So that means the integration of this one you got about y. So we put number 0 going here. This one going here. So I will put the negative go outside. And we have x squared minus 4. So we need to calculate about this one. x squared multiplied by x squared and negative number 4. And now we have the final answer. The integration of s to the power of 4, we have s to the power of 5 over 5. This one is about s to the power of 3 over 3. And we put the bounds from negative number 2 to positive number 2. So number 2 we put in here. Negative number 2 we put in here. And now we have the final answer. And we have 128 over 15. That is the end. Thank you for watching.